So I follow Brittany Kline of The Savvy Mama. She has 35 simple family dinner recipes. I was like, okay, let's see. I never know what to cook. This looks amazing, but I'm scrolling and I'm like, oh my God, too much information. I don't know how to make it. The recipes are not on the page. I have to click through. Not trying to deal with it. Okay, so how can I make this better for me? So the first thing I do is I go to ChatGPT and I'm like, can you crawl this article and create a table of all the recipes with the name of the entree ingredients and cooking instruction? And like, it actually searched, but because there's ads, Brittany got to make her money now. Brittany got to get it, you see? So because there's ads, it also look like it's trying to go through. I'm assuming that's what these are, like to her sidebar ads. So it's like, oh, I can't retrieve, but you can visit this page, which just takes me back to her website. I'm like, yeah, nah, I ain't gonna do that. So I'm like, okay, let's try Perplexity. And so I'm like, oh, can you help me? They said yes, but, and they only gave me this very limited chart. It's like, I'm able to access the site, but I'm not able to click through and get more. So here's just some basic entree ingredients, cooking instructions. Cool. Okay. Yes. But where's the rest? So I said, oh, I'm going to try Claude. And Claude is like, I don't search. And then I went over to my personal Gmail and asked Gemini. Reason why I do that, Gemini for personal Gmail just seems to be better than Workspace. So I went to my personal Gmail and it's like, yeah, no, can't do it. So, all right. So I'm like, you know what? Perplexity, y'all playing games with me. Let me go back to you, baby, and see what's going on. Let me beg you. So this is what I did. It's saying I can't access or crawl, although it did. And so I'm just like, could you just do the full article? Just ignore any other crazy stuff, any ads or widgets. And it's okay, I apologize, but I'm just gonna try to do a little bit. And it gave me more. But I'm like, okay, why are you playing? You doing some of it. Quit playing with me. Okay, so then I'm like, okay, look, bruh. There are 35 dinner ideas on this page. Can you just capture all of them? If you're able to do these, can't you access the rest? Like, I literally be talking to my AI like it's one of my homies. And it's like, my bad, girl. I apologize. I got you. So even though it doesn't click through to the separate individual recipes, which I would have wanted it to do, it gives me at least an entree, the ingredients, and the cooking instructions for all 35. So what I would say is pressure AI. First of all, try all of them like I do and see who performs better. And then push it. Like Perplexity was telling me, like, I can get you some, but I can't do the rest. And the fact that it gave me this much was much more than ChatGPT or Claude or Gemini were able to do. So I'm like, you know what? Perplexity, my baby Perplexity. Just give me everything that you can give me. And it did. So here we have 35 recipes from Brittany. Let me shout out Brittany from Savvy Mama. I buy her things. So buy her things if you're trying to be an organized, stay at home daughter, because that's what I am, not a mom, and trying to really be organized. And so now you can take this, you can copy it. Can you turn this into an Excel file? Can you turn the table into an Excel file? And let's see. Yeah, no, it's not. So let me go to ChatGPT and say, can you this table into an Excel file? So this baby is working with me. It's like, I know what you need. I'm gonna give you what you need. And it's working, it's running as scripts. And usually ChatGPT will give me Excel file. It's taking too long, but it will give me what I want. All right, so this is my spreadsheet that ChatGPT generated. I got 35 recipes. Thank you, Brittany.